Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm Walt Cameron.
And I'm Stephanie Cameron.
And we're the posters of Edible New Mexico Magazine. And welcome to episode 19 of the 5 Minute Friday. This week we're heading into the Grove for lunch. We're checking out Heidi's Jam Factory. And we're making popsicles. But first, we're gonna do this.
We're rolling.
Heidi's Ham Factory. I got the lemon herb turkey sandwich here at the Grove in Albuquerque. It has turkey, a lemon herb kind of jam, and avocados, and let's give it a shot. That's good. And another thing that I really like about the Grove is they always give you a little kale salad and then their house-made pickles. I mean, these are so good. They're so good. The kale salad, I don't know if you've ever tried it, but it's so good.
Even if you don't like kale.
Even if you don't like kale. I like it. What do you got, Steph?
So, I'm here at the Grove, and we are dining on the lovely patio here for lunch, but you can get breakfast all day. And I am having the mozzarella, which is their house-made mozzarella. Of course, it's got pesto and tomato and grilled to perfection. I just can't eat with the same grace you do. It's really good. Really, really good.
Now it's time for my lemon drop cupcake. Look at that. Look at those sugar crystals. Look at that. The lemon filling.
Lemon surprise in the middle.
We're here at Heidi's Jam Factory. This is where they make Heidi's famous jam. And, well, let's go inside and check it out. We're here at Heidi's Jam Factory, and we're speaking with Dimitri.
Hey, how you doing?
There's something unique about your jam.
So one of the things that's super unique about our jam, all of our ingredients are whole ingredients, and obviously our raspberries are whole raspberries. When it comes down to chili, we use our whole chili, which is just ground up, and as well as our ginger, which we process ourselves, and we freeze, and that goes straight into our jam. So that's not a liquid from a ginger, that's not a powder, that's a whole ingredient. So we only use whole ingredients, and that really stands out, and you can tell when you taste it through the flavor.
Tell us a little bit about the U-Pick.
Yeah, for sure. So right now, every year we do a U-Pick starting in July, and that starts with blackberries for the first month, and that ends and goes directly into raspberries. So right now we're full-blown raspberry season. We're open on Saturdays. If you visit our website, you can make your reservation through Eventzilla. It'll connect you right through it, and we have about 4 slots from 9 to noon. You should come with your families, wear a hat, bring water, and it's super fun, and hope to see you soon.
So today, we actually went to Heidi's Jam Factory and we picked up some jam. And we thought, you know what? That would be a great recipe if we did popsicles. And then Steph got the idea of what if we did like a creamsicle kind of thing. So we went and we picked up some Freanna yogurt, honey yogurt. So both local products made right here in Albuquerque. made in Clovis, New Mexico. So, here we go. 2 cups yogurt. So I'm gonna pour in 2 cups yogurt. 2 cups yogurt. Okay, and then the recipe also calls, I got yogurt all over everything, for 1 cup of strawberry jam. This is actually 10 ounces, which is a little bit more than a cup. But what the hey, I'm gonna just do the whole jar. Pour that in. And then you just stir that up. It's easy peasy. We're just gonna pour these into our popsicle molds. We lost one, so out of our little thing. We bought this online, this popsicle mold. Whoa. Okay, so now the next step is we just take a piece of aluminum foil, put that right over the top, center my stick, so that just pops right in, just like so. Last stick. All right, into the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. Okay, so these have been in the freezer for about 4 hours, I guess, give or take. So we're gonna pour some hot water. Okay, so we're dipping this in hot water. And we're gonna pull this out, and whoa, look at that. We have a popsicle. And it's perfect because today is supposed to be over 100 degrees. That's why we did it. Popsicles for the summertime. Oh, and it matches my shirt. Ooh. Ooh, that's good. That came out really good. That's it. Quick, easy way to make a summer popsicle. That's it for this week's episode.
Be safe and be well.